Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel today. Just got done with Singapore, but we've got exciting news. As we've all been watching, we've had some good price predictions for Ripple. It is still going crazy, and we've had some numbers for liquidations and some numbers for short liquidations going down. So let's get into the data, let's get right into it and kind of see where this market could change into and what could happen next for Ripple. So let's get into exactly what we found today. So 9 hours ago, according to coinopedia.org, which is then posted on cryptonews.net, XRP's false breakout basically triggers a $1.4 million liquidation. So what is next for XRP? I know a lot of us are big bag holders of XRP, big lovers. I've always been a big lover of XRP. I think it's got a good potential. I also like that it's a little bit of a different narrative compared to the standard crypto. So I think that gives it kind of a black swan variable compared to the rest. But let's get into it. So on September 21st, 2024, the world's seventh biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, which is awesome. That's really, 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 really positive to hear, experienced a lot of price fluctuations. Now, this did result in it basically having a $1.4 million in long and short positions. Now, these liquidations occurred on both sides. It had a consolidation zone from what we see here of about 55 cents to 59 cents, which is a good percentage move. And I love being able to see the chart right here. We can see exactly what happened. This is where the liquidations had come for the short sellers, and then the long sellers, I believe, was down here. So amid what occurred here, it had jumped over 4.5% and it broke out from this consolidation zone, which then had $1.14 million worth of short positions liquidated. What that would usually mean is the market would flip and it has to buy or sell those positions to even it out. And that's what occurs every day on Bitcoin. But it's nice when it happens to the altcoins like this that we really value, because then that gives them potential to move a lot faster. Now, as it closed its 1 hour candle above that zone, traders basically built large positions on the long side. Now, this and me was included. We believed that the rally would continue, but however, the price did reverse sharply. I didn't get liquidated, luckily, but a lot of other people did at $241,700 worth of long positions liquidated. Here's the good news, though. This 241,000 compared to this is a huge, it's about a 5 times difference here. So 1.14 million of shorts got liquidated compared to 241,000 worth of longs that got liquidated. Now, this did give it some sentiment of negativity, but CoinGlass, they have their own little like long and short ratio mathematical equation they do, and it basically stood at 0.90. This indicated a bearish market sentiment among the traders, but 52.5% of top traders do hold short positions, while 47.5 hold long positions. And this occurred, I mean, we just had a little bit of a run up. The market shifted a little bit well, and right now we do see Bitcoin on the decline. Yesterday we were at 63 something, and now we're sitting at 62. So when that does occur, the altcoins will follow, and you always have to keep that in mind. That's why you have to be watching Bitcoin whenever you're looking at the market and hold. Even if you trade meme coins, you still need to know what Bitcoin is doing, because that does generally decide the entire market's sentiment. Now, at this press time, XRP is trading at around 59 cents, and it did experience a price surge of 1.75. Not a big one, right? Because we're in the crypto market, we're always expecting 5, 10, 20%. That's when news happens. But during that same period, the trading volume did drop by 24%, basically indicating that there's lower participations from traders and investors, but not very many bearish people dropping the price. It actually had a bit of a gain. So that's a good thing to see. And when we look at the chart and their technical analysis they've got here, I actually do like that. Now, a strong possibility, it could soar 10% and it could reach 65 cents. And I think that's going to be very heavily determined based on the price of what Bitcoin will do. So please watch the market. If we see Bitcoin drop below 60K, I don't think we're going to get this price surge, and this probability will not play out. But it is very, very well done technical analysis wise. We see the resistance zone here. We see the support zone here, and then its consolidation zone. And if it was to follow standard movement, it should basically go back up to here, get a little bit of a bounce back. I presume the bounce back would be here, and then hopefully take off past that last resistance But only time will tell, and also only Bitcoin will tell. So just keep watching the market, keep looking at Bitcoin, and let's see what Bitcoin does in itself. If Bitcoin continues to be positively moving up, we will see the same thing happen to Ripple and the rest of the market. If Bitcoin for any reason has some sort of negative news occur in the next 1 to 2 to 3 days, we will have some negativity, but hopefully Ripple stands back out at that support zone and holds itself until it gets to the next part to get to the top. Now, do me a favor, click that like, share, and subscribe. I'll give you more news like this. We'll find more information, more data, and we'll keep you guys up to date with the market because we gotta always chase the best moving tokens, cryptos, and altcoins at the time. And that's what I like about crypto. Crypto doesn't stop moving. It doesn't sleep. It always gives everybody a chance to make money, especially if you're willing to research and take the time. Click that follow, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.